Hey, so today we're diving into something really interesting. It's a new way for you to build and, this is the important part, truly own your online store without all the usual high costs or technical headaches. Let's get right into it.
I mean, if you're here, I'm going to guess the answer is a big yes. You've probably got an amazing idea, the passion, the vision, but then you hit the practical stuff, right? And suddenly that dream can feel a little, well, a little far away.
Does any of this sound familiar? That sinking feeling that it's going to cost a fortune? Or you look at all the tech stuff and it just feels so complicated, and who has the time? These are the exact roadblocks that stop so many awesome ideas before they even get started.
But what if those hurdles weren't really hurdles at all? What if there was a path designed specifically to help you leap right over them? Okay, let's unpack this. So the solution we're talking about today is called WebOwnr, and it's an e-commerce platform that's built around a really simple, but honestly a really powerful idea, making it possible for anyone to sell online. Now let's just focus on that last part for a second. Own it forever. See, with most platforms, you're kind of just renting your online space forever. This is different. It's a path to actually owning your digital asset, which, believe me, is a huge game changer in the e-commerce world.
And they've made the whole process incredibly simple. I mean, we're talking about going from zero to a fully functional online store in a ridiculously short amount of time. Let's see how they do it.
Yep, just 4 steps. That's it. You pick a design you love, you add your products, you hit the big launch button, and you start selling. And that final step, that's the unique part we were just talking about. You finish your payments and you take full ownership. It's simple, it's clear, and it's fast. Of course, a simple setup is great, but you need the right tools to actually succeed, right? So WebOwnr has packed in some really powerful features, all designed for businesses like yours. And the best part? You don't need to write a single line of code to use any of them. Okay, first up is probably my favorite thing, an AI assistant. Now, don't think of this as some complicated tech thing. Think of it more like your helpful co-pilot ready to jump in and handle some of the most boring parts of setting up shop. And this is what that actually means for you. You know that feeling when you're stuck trying to write a great product description? The AI can write it for you. Your photos don't look quite right? It'll optimize them. It's kind of like having a little marketing and design expert built right into the platform. So once you're up and running, the most exciting sound in the world is that notification for a new sale. But the key thing is making sure you actually get that notification right away, no matter where you are. And that's exactly what this does. You get an instant alert sent directly to your WhatsApp. It's so simple, but so effective. It means you can respond to every single order right away, which is absolutely vital for amazing customer service. And on top of that, you get a whole suite of professional tools. Things like turning your store into a mobile app your customers can install, using your own custom domain, tons of gorgeous templates, and, this is a big one, full support from their team if you ever get stuck. Okay, but what about performance? Because this is a deal breaker. A slow website will lose you customers, period. Well, here we see a serious commitment to speed, with pages loading in under 2 seconds and a 99.9% uptime guarantee. That's the kind of reliability that builds trust with your shoppers. So how does that own forever promise actually work in real life? Let's break down the payment plans that make this all possible. You've basically got 2 choices. The first one is a classic subscription, a low monthly fee. Super straightforward. The second is the installment plan. And this is where it gets really interesting. You pay monthly for a set amount of time. And after that last payment, boom, the website is 100% yours. No more monthly platform fees, ever. Okay, this is always the big question, isn't it? Whenever a service says free, you're kind of waiting for the catch. It's a totally fair question, so let's get a straight answer. And the answer is refreshingly simple. Yes, you can sign up and start building your entire store without paying a dime up front. This just completely removes that first major hurdle, the cost, and it lets you see if it's the right fit for you, completely risk-free. So as we start to wrap up, the main idea here is really all about empowerment. It's about putting the tools, the power, and ultimately the ownership of an online business back into your hands, the creator. You know, this isn't just about renting some space on the internet anymore. This is about building a real digital asset that you can truly call your own. It's a cornerstone for your brand's future. So the final question really is for you. Now that you've seen how the barriers of cost and complexity and technical skills can be just swept away, are you ready to take that next step and bring your business online? So let's just recap the whole deal. With WebOwnr, you get a smart,
AI-powered builder that makes everything easy. You get to start for free, which completely removes any financial risk. You get a clear path to actually owning your website forever. And you get a dedicated team to support you every step of the way. The only question left is, what are you going to build?